It's Thursday, so that means we have Nick Cullen from Kern County Animal Services. And who do we have with us this week?
We have a handful of a
Yes.
dog. She may not look like it, but this is Lady.
Okay.
Lady is, she's about a little over a year old. She's a bully breed mix. And when I come on the show with you, Ryan, and I tell you that we have an active dog, this is the kind of dog that I have in mind.
Right.
When I say active, she's a lot of energy. She wants to play. All she wants is to be all up in your business. And but she's a super sweet girl, very, very loving, gets along very well with other dogs. She spent the weekend in a foster home and she did really well with kids. But she is an active dog and is going to take somebody that has an active lifestyle to keep her well adjusted.
Oh, I believe you. When Lady got here, she was just not all over the place, but she was very active, like you said. What breed is Lady?
She's a bully breed, so Bakersfield mix, probably what we call it, but a little Staffordshire Terrier, American Pit Bull, that kind of mix. But all we know is that whatever combination of DNA she has in her, it's producing a lot of energy.
Right.
And like I said, she's a typical type of dog that's going to take. It's going to take somebody with an active lifestyle, like you said. How do you calm a dog down like this? You take them for like a 5-mile run, and maybe they'll be okay. If the weather and the temperature is okay, of course. But she's just full of love, though, and she's going to fit in with a family that has other dogs. That's really going to help her adjust.
Right. And last week you said her best friend was our guest on the show.
Yeah. If you were watching last week, I brought on a dog by the name of Serafina. Serafina was a husky that we had amputated her leg because she had a broken leg. And Lady here is Serafina's best friend. They share a kennel together. They went out to a foster home on Saturday together, and they do real well, and they keep each other active.
Now, if somebody was interested in adopting Lady, how would they go about that?
So they're going to come down to the Kern County Animal Shelter, 3951 Fruitvale Avenue. And if they're feeling frisky, they can ask to see Lady. And we'll do a meet and greet with Lady. We'll see if she's a match for you. Her adoption fee is actually waived because she's been in our facility for over 30 days. So her adoption fee is free. But like I said, we want to make sure that people are fully aware of what they're getting when they adopt Lady. And Lady's going to take some TLC to keep her busy.
This is great because usually if you watch us week after week, we have the dogs and they come in and it's a long morning for the dogs, so they usually end up falling asleep, especially the younger dogs. This is the youngest dog we've had that has been this active, and I think it's great for somebody who's watching, like you said, that has an active lifestyle, that wants to go hiking and jogging and things of that nature.
Yeah, I've had people accuse me of hating dogs that we bring on. This will prove to you, no, that is not the thing.
Right. She loves to play, just like any. So if you've ever had a child, I'm sure this is.
It's kind of like a 2-year-old.
Yes, a 2-year-old that's in a candy store that's just super excited to see everybody. Thank you for bringing Lady.
Thank
and
you
I
for
hope
having
she
us.
finds a home. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Kern Living. Make sure you follow myself at Ryan Nelson 23. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.